Hello everyone. So back to my channel. Thank you for coming here. So today I'm going to discuss regarding UPSC syllabus. So my whole today's lecture will depend upon the what happened? Okay. So my whole class will depend upon I will be giving some tips to you how you can like sort it out your syllabus or what can be the smart way to cater the syllabus. Okay. So stay tuned. It will be a small video. So I have firstly added the calendar which is given by UPSC itself. So you can see our preliminary date which is 5th of June. Okay, and when will be the mains? If the candidates who qualified the prelims, so their mains will take place on 16th of September. Okay, and as you know, in mains we have 9 exams, and it will be for 5 days in continuation. Only in optional you get 1 week extra leave, you can say. Okay, you can see the last year date wise exam conducted date sheet, you can see that basically. And today is a very auspicious day also, because just yesterday only UPSC came out with the notification. So you can see how UPSC punctual is. See, on second they have mentioned earlier this calendar has been released last year, and they told us ki on 2nd of February they will come out of the notification, and here they have given the notification yesterday only. Okay, and this time is a very good opportunity to the newcomers also, and to the older ones also who are already into the process. They can restart again, because this time we have a good opportunity with a high number of uh, post available. It's 861 post, and if you are applying for forest services also, and 151 more in that also. So let us move to our syllabus, because the main theme of our today's lecture is that only. Okay, so here is the normal preliminary exam syllabus. This you can see exactly copied from the exact syllabus which UPSC gave in their notification, or in the UPSC site you can get. Okay, सी जो प्रिलिमिनरी होता है और जो मेंस होता है उसका कोई अलग से तैयारी नहीं होता है. इट्स ऑल इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोसेस. ओके, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर मेंस, ऑटोमेटिकली योर प्रिलिम्स इज ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड. ओके, देन you will ask you what to do extra for the prelims. Simple, the funda is like, if you have exam in June, then till February complete your syllabus, go through your all mains, answer writing, everything. Optional को पहले ही जनवरी तक finish कर लो. ठीक है, come in March, and from the beginning of the March start focusing specifically on prelims. Why? Because prelims is an objective exam where you need a lot of practice of mock tests, past year papers, all the MCQ type of questions. Okay, so make yourself familiar to them. Okay, and it will not be in a single day or a single minute you can do. No, it will take time. Okay, so practice there, your past year paper, and a lot of mock tests. Okay, now mock test is not ki you just have to touch limit of 80 or touch a limit of 70 or 100. No, you have to revise also. Okay, if you are doing 40 or 30 also, that's also enough. You are doing equivalent to another students also. Okay, but here if you are doing less, then obviously you have to revise them. What happened now, people used to do 80 90 mock test, but what is the revision? They are zero in that. Okay, they're not revising that, तो उसका कोई यूजिंग नहीं बनेगा, फिर फायदा नहीं आएगा. बिकॉज आर मेन जो हमारा ब्रेन मेमोरी है, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट अ गार्बेज समथिंग यू कैन जस्ट पुट थिंग्स, एंड ऑब्वियसली इट हैव अ फैसिलिटी ऑफ टेक इन एंड टेक आउट ऑल्सो. तो वो निकाल भी देगा जो डाटा जिसको रिवाइज नहीं किए करोगे, है ना. इफ यू रिवाइज, देन इट विल make that memory to be sustained. Okay, so this is the prelims syllabus as you can see on the screen. So obviously if you are preparing for mains, automatically your prelims will also be qualified. Sorry for the screen issues. Okay, so this you can see, I will show directly into the mains. In the prelims if you see, तो ये जो topics हैं हमारे current events, history, geography, polity, economics and environment and science. So पूरा you have to read the whole syllabus, or you can say the whole book. What is the difference basically? जैसे मैं एक example देती हूँ. जैसे economics we are studying. Okay, if you are studying economics for prelims, Then banking is most important, taxation is most important topic, international bodies is most important. Whereas if you are studying for mains economics, then obviously for mains economics the other topic which are not coming into the prelims, for example the fiscal deficit related or GDP related direct questions, inflation related direct questions, okay, so that you will see into the mains, maybe a direct big question on budget analysis, on economic survey analysis, okay, like that. Okay, now coming to the syllabus, see अब क्या किया है, जितना भी हमारे 4 GS हैं, जनरल स्टडीज पेपर 1, 2 and 3 and 4, उनके जो भी syllabus हैं they are divided into 100 sub parts. Okay, because see, when you're reading a book, like if you have a target, I have to read these two NCRTs in this month. Okay, so you're reading just a book. Okay, and your main target is book padna, I have to finish by this date, like this. Okay, but that might not lead you to major benefit. The major benefit which will cost you, that is your syllabus, because ultimate on the last day of your preparation you have to finish your whole syllabus. Okay, so why not you carry the syllabus only with you? Okay, like this you can carry. Okay, what happened in this, what you can do, this is just my idea. ठीक है, जो आपने 100 ये पॉइंट्स आपको दिखेंगे हिस्ट्री के, देखो 6 पॉइंट्स है, सो यू जस्ट प्रिपेयर वन. ओके, मे बी इट विल टेक 1 day, maybe some topic will take 2 days or maybe more than that. Okay, depends upon the topic's length. Okay, जैसे for example the first is related to the art forms, literature and architecture, means they are talking about the whole art and culture. Okay, obviously it will take 2 3 days. If you are a beginner, maybe it can take more days for you, but if you are already into the flow, already into that particular UPSC format, so it will take very less time for revision also. So this I call to be a to do list. Whatever you complete, just tick in front of that. Okay, next topic you do, for example next day, tick over that. Okay, this will give you a sense of satisfaction. Okay, as you are completing one by one each syllabus, each part, you can start with your favorite subject also. For example, if you are interested in geography, you'll begin with geography. If you are interested in polity, start with that. Okay, जो आपका कॉन्फिडेंट सब्जेक्ट है उससे चालू कीजिए. जैसे जैसे आप एक एक टॉपिक पर टिक लगाएंगे तो उससे आपका सिलेबस भी कंप्लीट होगा, प्लस सेंस ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन भी आएगी. ओके, डोंट सी इन अनदर रूम, लाइक मीन्स उनकी तरफ ये मत देखिए कि उनका इतना बुक हो गया, उनका पूरा सिलेबस हो गया, क्या पता दे हैव डन जस्ट द सिलेबस फ्रॉम ऊपर से और मे बी दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. ओके, तो हर एक का सिचुएशन अलग होता है. डोंट look towards them, look within yourself कि what you can do. This is the syllabus, how should I do? Simple, make a plan as per your suitability, not as per the topper suitability or someone else. Okay, so this way you can see all, there are 100 topics. I will show you one by one. See for the polity, see for the governance, international relation, then we have GS3, the continuation of numbers you can see. Okay, one by one you complete and take. For example, if you are doing PDS, okay, public distribution system, from various resources, as it is not written in a good way in a book. If you won't find it in a book proper, so you may find in the newspapers, you may find on the Google searches. A lot of Google search also required for the subjects like society, for the subject like internal security, international relation, governance. Okay, some economics topics also, these directly need Google search, and you have to prepare your notes. A lot of PDF, freely PDF you will find of a lot of institute we have right now, Vision, Drishti, Insight, किसी का भी नाम लिख दो and you will get the file. Compare the file, whichever you find good कि ये वाला अच्छा कंटेंट है, मुझे इसको पढ़ने में अच्छा आएगा, बस एक बार डिसाइड कर लिया. नाउ डोंट लुक टुवर्ड्स अनदर. ओके, वंस यू डिसाइड, सेव दैट फाइल एंड दैट बिकम योर रिसोर्स फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. ओके, डोंट सी देन अगेन इधर उधर, नो. Okay, maybe अगर newspaper में something addition coming to related to that topic, add there. I will tell you how to add also. Okay, so one by one as you complete all these syllabus, see topic wise, as I told you, it is divided into 100 sub parts. So see 100 sub part ethics पे खत्म हो जाते हैं. जैसे ही आपके जितने भी महीने आपको लग रहे हैं 100 सब पार्ट कंप्लीट करने में, डू दैट. ओके, ऑलरेडी अगर जो बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जिन्होंने पहले से ही कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा या बीच में होंगे, सो यू कैन डू दिस, you can use this practice. This is called to do list. If you want this PDF, you just mail me, I will send you. Okay, and whosoever already know my number, so just message me, I will send you on WhatsApp. Okay, I have this file with me. Okay, then this is just nothing, your optionals are written, you choose any optional. अब optional के लिए मेरा पिछला वीडियो देख लेना आप, मैंने उसमें बताया है, आप किसी की होड़ में मत चलो कि उसने वो लिया है तो you also take that, no. ओके, जस्ट थिंक एज पर योर सेल्फ, सिलेबस उठाओ, सिलेबस देखो तुम क्या कर सकते हो. बहुत अच्छा होता है कि अगर हम बैचलर्स या मास्टर्स में जो हमने सिलेबस किया होता है, ये सब जो भी टॉपिक पढ़ा होता है हमने, टेक दैट ओनली, इट विल बी एडिंग मोर बूस्ट टू यू, क्योंकि आधा आपने थोड़ा कुछ पढ़ रखा होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम फ्रॉम कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड, आई हैव टू टेक कॉमर्स टू बी माई ऑप्शनल, बिकॉज it can be my plan B also, and obviously it helped me to connect with the syllabus because I was good in bachelor's and master's, so I took that particular to be my subject. You can take another also while taking the syllabus. Just don't listen others and just took the syllabus. No, you also first see the subject, all the syllabus, so find out where you can get the resources, some good teachers, then only prefer that syllabus or subject basically I want to say. Okay, now another one good advice for you, क्या आप कर सकते हो, देखो what I did ना, I have my notes in A4 sheets. You can have your notes online also, you can make OneNote, Microsoft Office, कहीं पर भी आप बना सकते हो, या फिर you can make your notes in registers also. Okay, but what is my advice is, I will advise you to make your notes on just plain A4 size sheets. Okay, why am they saying this? Because see, when we do on registers, then if we want to add something, if we want to delete something, then it is very hard to paste the pages pasting the sticky notes, और इतना sticky notes हो जाएगा लास्ट तक, you will see कि जो main content है वो sticky notes के नीचे दब गया होगा. Okay, it's true. ठीक है, मैंने सब ट्राई करके देख रखा है. So what I found the best way is to make the notes on A4 size sheet. You can also make online, people used to make online, but I don't like much online things and making on Word file or Excel or something like that, because for current affairs I used to do, but for the basics I don't used to like to do. Because see, आपका राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस भी तो होना चाहिए ना. जो यूपीएससी का मेंस होगा वो ये तो खाएंगे नहीं, ये लो कंप्यूटर और यहाँ पे बना के दे दो, इट्स लाइक दैट. ओके, सो ऑब्वियसली शीट्स पे भी आपको थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए. सो दिस इज माई ओपिनियन. हाफ यू कैन मेक करंट अफेयर्स के, लाइक आई यूज टू हैव ऑनलाइन रिसोर्स ओनली, बिकॉज डायरेक्टली कट पेस्ट कर ले तो आप कहीं से भी, आपको दोबारा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती. ओके, बिकॉज यू नीड टू बी स्मार्ट. Okay, instead of like just working like a donkey, it will not help you in UPSC. Okay, you have to be smart. Okay, smart, I'm not saying in the looks, I'm talking about your mind applicability. Okay, so this you can do. What I have did now, I have some colorful sheets, and then I have written the whole syllabus topic wise, not just exactly copied paste, no, just topic name. Okay, and then I have pasted some tape so that वो फटे नहीं. ठीक है, then what I do, placing like for example some topic is of biotechnology, so I will place the biotechnology this particular slip on my notes of biotechnology. Okay, same way I will do for the whole syllabus for GS1 to GS4 तक लेकर. Now what it will help, for example right now I am reading an article, if it is based upon some cyber security for example, so I have cyber security in my syllabus, so it is very uncomfortable, you are finding all the sheets, running all the pages, so it will take a long time now. So what happen, if I have such slips, then I will directly see slips में से ही कहाँ पर है मेरा cyber security, and easily I will take out the cyber security sheet, and there only I can add. Okay, for example if the page is already filled, तो एक नया पेज लगा लेंगे ऐसा. Okay, so this way you can do. This is just my experience, what I'm sharing with you. I hope you liked my this particular today's lecture. Okay, thank you, and please stay tuned for the videos. If you have not seen the earlier two videos, one is on explaining about the whole syllabus and the books, what is UPSC, and one more video I have made regarding UPSC, that is how to read the newspaper. Okay, especially I have discussed the Hindu, and now I'm presenting this video. Yes, I'm giving the videos after a long break, because I also don't get much time, because I'm teaching also, practicing my favorite hobby, and other than that I'm also preparing. Okay, so thank you everyone, bye.